When carefully investigating your mind's nature, once again you have to look a little more closely. It is not manifold, but utterly empty. It is not many, which means it is not substantial, not concrete, not composed of numerous things. We have concluded that mind is not many. Rather, it is empty like space, completely open, unobstructed, and substanceless. It is not a oneness, but vividly awake. The clarity of the mind is like the sun rising in the sky, illuminating everything. We cannot say that mind is only one, empty, or nothing, because it is a clear wakefulness that is like the rays of the sun. The emptiness and the wakefulness are indivisible. They are not two different things. This indivisibility is called rangjung, yeshe, the self-existing wakefulness that is completely beyond the grasp of intellectual thought.